Profiteroles Part 2, how to make the creme patissiere and chocolate sauce. For our creme patissiere, we need 4 egg yolks, we need 60 grams caster sugar, we need 25 grams plain flour, 2 teaspoons corn flour, 280 milliliters milk, and then we're also going to make a chocolate sauce to drizzle over the profiteroles afterwards, and for that we need 175 grams caster sugar and 50 grams cocoa powder. As we only need egg yolks for this, we're going to start by separating our eggs. So you need a separate bowl or jug for this. And then it's only the 4 egg yolks we're going to add to the large bowl. To separate an egg, you crack it slightly. You could use the end of a spoon for that if you like. Then hold it in your fingertips and try to pull the shell apart while supporting it from below with your thumbs. And then you catch the egg yolk in the shell and just very carefully transfer it from one to the other till all the egg white has run off, and then the egg yolk in the bowl. And then whisk in your sugar for a few minutes until this is pale and slightly thickened. You can multitask here a bit and bring your milk to the boil already on a medium heat. Okay, now I've whisked this for about 3 minutes. You can see it's gone a lot paler, it's gone thicker. And then we're going to whisk in our 25 grams plain flour and our 2 teaspoons of corn flour. Right, you can see my milk is starting to foam up and it is making lots of bubbles starting to boil. So now turn our hob off and we're going to pour that milk into the mixture. Saucepan to the side. Be very careful because this is going to be hot and you can burn yourself on the liquid. And then when you mix it for about half a minute, put your saucepan back on the heat. Pour the mixture back in there. And then keep on stirring this until it has thickened. You will see as you stir it, it'll sort of leave little tracks on the bottom of your saucepan. Then you can turn your hob off. Stir it a little bit more. And that's it. This is our creme patissiere, which we're going to be using to fill our profiteroles. Now we obviously have to let this cool. We're going to cover it with cling film so we don't get a skin on top. Chocolate sauce. Hob on medium-high heat. Add your sugar, cocoa powder, 100 milliliters of water, and then just keep on stirring and bring to the boil. Piping bag. Need a small nozzle. Put it in the bag first. Push all the way to the bottom and then just pull it back slightly, snip a bit off so that your nozzle ends up coming out but still being safely secured to the bag. Roll it up a little bit. Spoon in your creme patissiere. And again, just like for your profiteroles, you need to make sure that you twist this at the end so that it is secure. Right, and then we're going to poke a small hole into the bottom of each of these and then carefully fill the profiteroles. Place them back down. You'll kind of feel when they start to get a little bit rounder and fuller, then you've probably got enough in. Also careful not to overfill the first ones, otherwise you might not have enough for all of them. You can throw away the bag, but make sure that you wash and don't throw away the nozzle. And then last but not least, you arrange these on a plate and generously drizzle over some chocolate sauce. And there's our finished profiteroles with creme patissiere and chocolate sauce.